So I hope everybody's enjoying the conference so far, and I hope I'm not just stringing you along with the magic. But speaking of string, let's try something with a small piece of rope, a medium piece of rope, and a really long piece of rope. 3 pieces of rope, 3 different sizes. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to bring up the ends to the small, the medium, and of course, the long piece of rope. Just by tugging on the ends, I should be able to stretch them out and make them all one length. So now I definitely have 1, 2, 3 equal pieces of rope. But to do this, all I really need is 1 piece of rope. So I'll touch the ends together and make 1 solid piece of rope. Are you guys impressed or depressed? I can't tell. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a knot in the rope, just like that. Give a little magic scissors, cut the rope, take that knot, slide down a little bit more, and a little bit further. Untie the knot and go back to having the small, the medium, and of course, the long piece of rope. We're going to play a little game using a cup, a ball, and a little magic wand. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ball, drop it into the cup, shake it up and down just like this. I'm going to move my hand quickly away to my pocket. Then you have to guess whether the ball is underneath the cup or in my pocket. It's a pretty easy game. If you're ready, let's start. Perfect. Oh, did you miss that? That was misdirection. See, when I shake the cup up and down, you're busy watching the cup, not watching my hand, because this is the misdirection. But let's just say you're keeping your eye too close to my hand. Then I just use the wand and wave it, and the ball appears back underneath the cup. Let's try that again. I shake the ball up and down. I move my hand into my pocket. If you were to guess right now whether the ball is underneath the cup or in my pocket, what would be your guess? If you'd say under the cup, I'd say no, you're wrong. It's in my pocket. If you were to guess in the pocket, I'd say nope, it's in the cup. I'm going to actually teach you how this works. It uses 2 balls. This little red ball here and this larger baseball right there. Now there's a game you can play using a cup, a little red ball, a baseball, and a magic wand. Right now, let's all do a group trick. Everybody can help me out with this one. So I need everybody out there right now to put out your left hand. Yep, your left hand, your other left, sir. Perfect. Now your right hand, everyone. Perfect. Don't worry, it's not the Macarena. Look at that group's like, we're going out tonight. Now take your hands, put them thumbs down. Very good. Take either hand, put it over the top of the other one, and lock your hands together. Now here comes the hardest part. And everybody wiggle just your thumbs a little higher. Perfect. Now watch. Everybody take your thumbs and slowly turn them up, just like this. What? It didn't work for you? Well, shake it off and do one of those right there.